Hi, Math 141 students for the fall of 2021. I want to take you through a as brief as I can make it, walkthrough of our Canvas course to show you where things are located. It's of course going to take a lot more work on your part to really dive in and read all the pages, but just to get you a quick overview. When you log in, you should see the Welcome to Your Course page that includes a little blurb about this course and some information about me. And then some links to the 3 modules and also the Getting Started and Syllabus Course Info page, the final exam, and the testing video area. So we've got that. Now I'm going to go ahead and switch to the student view at this point so that you can really see it how you will see it. There are no recent announcements because the course hasn't started yet, but once it does, the announcements will pop up. I have weekly announcements already preset and ready to go to remind you what should be due every week. Notice there's a to-do list over here as well, with our first assignments being due on, well, I guess Wednesday, August 18th. But anyway, our first module is called Getting Started. There's a whole bunch of information here, a Getting Started checklist about the course, meet your faculty, some information about me, and you can see how this goes down. So I'm just going to quickly run through these. There's a Getting Started checklist. You'll want to read through that. Again, there's an intro about the course and then some Getting Started videos here. The course outcomes, some important information there about what we're learning this semester. Here's a page about me, so a little bio about me, and again, my email, my Zoom office hours, and Zoom link information. Some some technical requirements that you need to have for this course. Right here is how you can download Microsoft Office 365, and that's how you can get Excel that we need to use for this class. Here's some information about Zoom and how you can get Zoom set up, and some browser check information. So you want to go through all this before the semester begins. Oops, I accidentally hit Leave Student View. Whoopsies. Let me bring that back. Okay, let's keep going. The student handbook is in here if you need to look something up with that. Here's some services that Heartland offers. Some netiquette and some Zoom statements, since everything we do is online and we will be using Zoom for our exams. This is important info. And a lot of other services that Heartland offers. So if you are having any sort of a problem or have any sort of a question, this is a great page to go to first to see what you can get there. Here's some more specific information on how to access Excel for free. This actually more walks you through that. So that's important. How to save work and submit it as a PDF. So when you take your exams for this course, you will be using scratch paper that I require, that I provide to you, and you will be submitting that to me in order to get your grade for that exam. So here are some different apps and everything that you can use, and some video tutorials to help you get that all set up. And a questions forum. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go back out to the main page. That's the Getting Started module. Minimize that. Then we have the syllabus and course information module. So this is more very specific to our course. So in this module, we have our syllabus, which I review in a different video, but that is always here for you to look over as much as you need. Here is my office hour page. So if you go under the Zoom link over here, you'll notice that I don't have anything set up over here. So go to this Zoom office hours tab right here, and I need to update my office hours. I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday office hours, but they are all virtual. And right here, you can click this link. I'll update that before this goes live. We also have an embedded tutor in our course this semester. Jean LaPaz is available in our course to help you, and she has virtual help lab hours for this class. So what you'll notice is that my office hours are basically from either 9:30 to 11 or from 10 to 11 every day, Monday through Thursday. And then Jean is online from 11 to 1. So you have help from approximately 9:30 or 10 until 1, Monday through Thursday, where someone is online standing by to help you. And you can just join her Zoom link for those or join my Zoom link for mine. No appointment necessary. Outside of those hours, you can either email Jean or request a tutor a different session if you need different times, or email both of us with questions. And basically, whichever one of us is able to get to you first, we will. So you double your opportunity for a quick response. There are a lot of other tutoring opportunities available that you can drop in to the library. We have another drop-in area. You can see the different hours. We have the virtual help lab, and you can just go to the website if you want more information. So Jean is in our course. She's doing our assignments with us. She would be your number one place to look, but you can also do general tutoring and get help that way as well. Like, we have great math tutors, lots of them. We also have a Math Success Center on campus in ICN 1004. This is a new space that has math-specific assistance available this fall from Monday through Thursday, 9 to 3 in person. And they can help on any of the courses from 091 through Calculus. They have made it a really nice space with soft seating, phone chargers, a place to just gather and hang out and work on your homework. You can also schedule a Zoom appointment with them. So lots of ways to get help with your math work. This link takes you to the ebook that is included in the course. So that's there for you if you so choose. We are using Newton Alta for our actual math assignments. And if you can go through this to purchase that, you can either purchase it by clicking basically on any link once you log in, or you can purchase it through the bookstore. It doesn't matter what way you do it, but definitely get that done before our first assignments open. You can get 14 days of courtesy access, but once that's up, you will have to purchase. It's $39.95, no matter where you're purchasing it. It may be a little bit more if you go through the bookstore. And there are some tips and tutorials here for Newton Alta. It's really pretty easy. Here's our week-to-week course calendar. You will see the same information also in the syllabus. And then we start Module 1. So Module 1, I'm going to go back out to the modules. This is always a good view. So we've done Getting Started and the syllabus course info. Now Module 1 will be 3 weeks long and then an exam week. So week 1, it always starts with an overview of what we're learning, an optional discussion if you have questions, the embedded tutoring link again for your access. And then there's a list of what's due on Wednesday. So in this one, we have some notes and videos, and then a homework, notes and videos, and then a homework, yada, yada here. And then next is what's due that Sunday. So we do have the staggered due dates. Some assignments due on Wednesday, some assignments due on Sunday. And how this always works is that there will be a page with notes and videos. These are note sheets that I have created and videos of me going through them, talking, filling them in. This simulates what it would be like to have a lecture with me in class, the best that I'm able to do it online. So you print out your note sheets, download them, fill them out with me, a reference to what we covered in the book, if you would like to refer back to the book, what learning outcomes we're covering, and then some supplements. So maybe you just want to see some other explanations. There are a lot of really great videos online. So I give some supplemental videos down here. You can watch all or none of these videos. They're labeled. So maybe if you were specifically still having questions after my explanation on what's the difference between a population and a sample, this one would be a good one to watch. Maybe you understood this one, so you skip this one. That would be fine. So you watch my videos, and then you open up your homework assignment. And this, when you launch this, it launches into Newton and you do your assignment there. Once you're done with your homework assignment, the next thing will be more notes and videos for the next grouping, some optional stuff down at the bottom, and the next assignment. And it basically just goes back and forth like that until you reach the end of the week. So you've got your Wednesday assignments, your due Sunday assignments, and then always due on Sundays is going to be the quiz. So for the first week, you are required to show me scratch paper for your quiz because it's getting you used to what you need to do as far as scratch paper for the exam. The first quiz is the only one where scratch paper is required. After that, scratch paper for quizzes is optional. And then repeat. So we're still in module 1, but week 2, there's an optional discussion, embedded tutoring links, and then notes and videos, homeworks due on Wednesday. More notes and videos and homeworks due on Sunday. In the week with a quiz. And again, from there on out, the work for quizzes is optional. Repeat, repeat until we get to week 4. Week 4 is where we will have our first exam. We still start off with an optional discussion and some tutoring information. On exam weeks, you will have an essay quiz due on Wednesday, and then you will have your exam due on the Sunday. Now, on all exams, scratch paper is provided and required, and there is a tab to submit that. This is why you need that PDF scanner so that you will be able to print off whatever version you like, Word or PDF. You will write your work in on those. You can keep it online up on your screen and paste in work if you would rather do that. You can type in your written work, paste in Excel documents. But that's what the first quiz is for you to kind of figure out what your best method for doing your scratch paper is going to be. You will take the exam, and then you will upload that scratch paper here once you've created your PDF. And then that just went through all of module 1, and the rest of the modules are the same. So the rest of the modules will be weekly work until we get to the midterm exam, then more weekly work until the third exam, and then more weekly work until the final. So that sort of goes through all of that. Then you will be able to see, again, under announcements, once they start populating, the syllabus, there's another link to the syllabus in here. Grades will start populating once you start doing assignments. So right now under here, all you see are when things are due. So you can see the groupings of what's due Wednesday, what's due Sunday, things like that. Okay, and you can see the breakdown again here that's given in the syllabus of how everything is weighted. So I hope that this little overview helps you whenever you log into Canvas for the first time to start navigating through there, but please email me if you have questions.